You're paying? What, are you crazy? How'd that happen?
I can't figure it out.
Oh. Oh, gee.
$6 total. Perfect.
Figure it out, darling.
I figured it out. It came up with something.
This is so much fun.
You paid Jacksonville Arboretum $6.
Oh.
Yep.
Now
Document
we
that.
are at the Jacksonville Arboretum Gardens. It's a wonderful place, and I strongly urge people to come here if they have not been here before. Have you logged us in yet?
Huh? Yes. We're paid in full.
We
You're
are?
in. Yeah. Did you want a map?
Are you kidding? I've walked this place hundreds of times.
Okay, good.
We were here before.
Yeah,
payment.
before it was,
Love that.
before you started charging.
Oh.
And we still paid when we didn't have to.
Go, Cat.
Bye, y'all. Thank you. Oh, yeah.
All right, so we're walking into the garden. As you can see, it's a beautiful place. We love it in here. All kinds of plants have been planted all through the garden. And many of them have been identified, so you can look at them and see what they are. Picnic area, it's beautiful in here. Look at this. I think I shall never see a sight as lovely as a tree. And by the way, I've learned one thing from my second wife. She never let me video her closer or take a picture closer than 5 feet away. Now I know why. I realize just how ugly I am, but I don't care. This is for people who want to stay healthy, not pretty, because it ain't gonna happen with me. So anyway, here's my beautiful girl. What are you doing? What are you doing? You having a fit? Oh, as usual, she walks faster than me. Oh, well. Oh, she's earthing. That's a good thing, not a bad thing. I shouldn't have worn my boots. I didn't think of that.
I know.
Oh, well. So let's see. We got, let me show some more of these flowers. Beautiful stuff here. Oh, and a nice little bumblebee. Where'd you go? Do your thing, buddy. Where would we be without bees? When I was a little kid, I looked up one day. Yeah, see? This is Señorita Rosalita. I don't know if that's a person or the plant. See what that feels like. Oh, it's pretty soft. This is about as natural a place as you can get, other than the fact that people have planted things. But I mean, as far as bugs and things are concerned, you're going to see them. Good for you, Rick. She's like her buddy Tammy. She thinks she can dance.
Here, dance with me.
Don't worry, she's not crazy, just a little mental, that's all.
We're still waking up.
Shall we walk, madam? Oh, okay. Turn around. Oh my goodness. And then you got to put up with this. Look at this. Look at that. Well, a little bit of a difference, eh? To my buddy up in Canada, eh? I'm walking. You can sit here and have your attack. I'm going to finish the walk, which is a short one anyway.
I can't hear you.
Good. They also have events here. And they have Christmas and beautiful displays. I mean, it's a really, really nice place. And I would strongly suggest anybody who wants to recreate, pay the $3. It helps maintain all this beauty that you see, including some really ancient stuff. These old coquina blocks, who knows how long they've been here. They ought to put up a sign telling us about them. And then look at this. Some idiot throws a bottle down here and leaves it. There's no respect these days. It's a cast iron plant. Now, I never knew what they looked like, but now I do. Let's see what's over here. Live oak trees. So it tells you all about the live oaks. That's cool. I'm really upset that people would just throw this down and leave it. Oh, she's still earthing. Oh, I can't. Once I stop it, I don't know how to put it together again.
Honey.
By the way, folks, I promise I will learn to start editing. I said earlier I was too lazy, but actually I'm too technologically challenged to figure it out. So I'll get it done one of these days. I'm going to throw that there because it's not where it was. This beautiful pond down here. This used to be a mine for rutile sands. They make the stuff that you put on your nose to keep from being sunburned and stuff.
Honey, you can't make an hour-long video. People are not going to watch it.
Well, then they don't have to watch it.
Well, that's an hour.
Yeah, right. Who's the expert around here? Oh, you are? Okay. I might not be as good as my buddy. Well, he's not my buddy, but the person I watch a lot, which is Simon with Go Find an Adventure, and Andrew Camarada, who I very much admire, and also Matt with Diesel Creek. These people do mile-long videos, and I'm assuming that people like them. I don't know if they're going to like mine, but what the heck? We'll find out. Nobody watches them, then we know nobody likes them. Boy, she's in a really good mood today. I might find the benefits of that when we get back, hopefully. She didn't get too tired. Okie When we finish the circle, I'll turn this off.
Say what?
When we finish the circle, I'll turn this off.
Okay.
There's lots of paths through here. You can take 2 or 3 mile walks through the forest. You can't get lost because everything's circular. And you just keep walking, you'll find out where you're going. There's an overlook over here. Honey, you haven't seen this one before. There's an overlook for the pond. And by the way, this pond is full of gators and snakes. If you are in Florida, never let your small toddlers or dogs get close to an ocean, a body of water. Because even though you can't see them, a gator can be right at the edge waiting for somebody to come along so they can get a little snack. And they aren't able to differentiate between a dog and a toddler. Don't ever let your small children get close to the water. I think I'm probably too big for them to chew on. Let's see what we got over here. I love these things. Gone but not forgotten. Something's been digging up the ground here. It might have been a person or it might have been an animal. Who knows? But we're saying yesterday when we did the earthing video last night, I guess it was, stay close to the earth. It's been medically proven the more you spend outdoors, like I'm doing right now, and she is, the better your mental state. And don't forget, this video is about being healthier physically and mentally. I mean, it's fine to get exercise and get strong, but what about the mental aspect? Learn to enjoy life. You can see that Judy and I have lots of fun together, and it's only because we don't take ourselves too seriously. which is not what you should do anyway. And I hope this isn't too bouncy. If I had my GoPro, I've got one, but I haven't figured out how to get it to work yet. So she's probably right. This would be too bouncy. So if that's the case, quit watching, 'cause I'm putting it up anyway. All right, so see, here's a sign. Don't feed them. You know why, right? They see you as a food source. They see you, they say, food. I mean, even alligators are smart enough to figure out where food comes from. So you don't want to be anywhere near anybody feeding an alligator, because that's absolutely stupid. Beautiful place, huh? Absolutely. So see, I guess that's ironweed, iron plant. So, alligators are necessary to control fish populations. When alligators are fed by humans, they change their naturally shy behavior, become dependent on people. This unnatural behavior then may pose a threat to our human pet visitors. Do not throw anything into the water. Both human and pet food may be consumed by the wildlife, including the alligators. So I hope that drives the point home. You're going to see the prize-winning loblolly pine. That's down here. I don't know who wanted to. Oh, they closed it off. The weather must have caused it to go bad. Oh yeah, stuff fell down. Let's see if I can bring that up. Yeah. So there'll be people along, volunteers to clean that up. That's why I don't mind paying the $6 whenever we come here. It's well worth it. There's a nice little pier that overlooks the pond. So this is a circular walk. It's only about, I don't know, a third of a mile, maybe around. All about alligators. And this is nice. Fish, I've seen these guys. The shiners, oh, bass love them. Largemouth bass, speaking of which. Yellow-bellied sliders, they're everywhere. I actually caught one of these in one of my backyards. It was gigantic, about as big around as my trash can plate, and he was stuck up against the fence. So I picked him up and turned him loose, of course. And then we have brown water snake, which is not the same as a cottonmouth. Florida water snake, green water snake. Can't see them so well. American alligator. Ta-da. I've seen some biggies. Pond hawk. Dragonfly. They've actually done videos, YouTubes, about nothing but dragonflies. We do have eagles around here, by the way. This is Nanhinga. They catch a lot of food. And I heard the Asians use them. They put a ring around the neck so they can't swallow the fish they catch. And they reel them in and take the fish. After a while, of course, they let them have them. There's lots of ospreys here. And so Judy's probably completely by now disgusted with me because I stop and do this kind of stuff. You can't have the video too long. Well, like I said, don't have to watch it. Oh, there she is. There she is, Miss America. Oh, a squirrel. Florida wildlife. Now he thinks I don't. Go ahead, peek around there. Look at me. Where are you, you little crap? There you go. I know, you're looking for me to feed you. That's cool. They'll walk around the other side of the tree so I can't see them. No fishing. Oh, what a bunch of boil forts. Not feeding. Oh, there's one. Say whoop. Poke his head out. Whoop. I see you. Be alert. They are worried about gators and snakes. There's a lot of them here. So if you are snake phobic or alligator phobic, I say come anyway, but just make sure you stay alert. You don't want to be stepping on a snake or feeding an alligator. Pretty, huh? Beautiful here. I wish they'd let us fish. Place is full of big mouth bass, and I mean they are big. So another congregational area where we can sit here and have little groups talk, do our thing, whatever it might be. There's an interesting tree. Look at that. I never cease to enjoy the wilderness. Hey Judith, where are you going? Oh, there she is. How about waiting for me? Thank you. This is almost over for those of you suffering through it. We're going to get back to the parking lot, and I'm going to turn this off. 16 minutes is not too long a video, and contrary to what my bride might think, boy, she did work up in a good mood this morning. These guys, look at this. Where am I? Pretty. I don't even see any identifiers here. Look at that. There's a whole bunch of them here. Beautiful. If you like wilderness and plants, you need to come to Jacksonville Arboretum Gardens. Lovely, lovely place. Well, you're actually letting me catch up with you for a change. We're not getting older, we're getting happier. Slap happy or something. What is this? Tricolor, where is it? All right, I know we have a sign here somewhere. Tricolor prayer plant. I think that's because they fold up in the evening, but I'm not sure. Last I know is a lobster plant. Oh, shrimp. Shows you what I know. Shrimp plant. Looks like a shrimp, maybe. Bromeliad, which is looking sad. That's a sad bromeliad. So all you nature lovers, Jacksonville, Florida, La Florida, Jacksonville Arboretum. Look at these cool plants. Laurel leaf snail seed. Who'd have known? Laurel, where am I? Laurel leaf snail seed. Look at this guy. I don't know what they are either. Almost done. So rutile sands are used to make paint and to, can't remember the name of the chemical, but it's blindingly white. So they used to make a cream that you put on your nose, prevents sunburn. I remember that. People don't use it much anymore for that. Nice place to stop, contemplate. Nice tribute to your loved ones to do these things. She thinks I'm doing too much. She just gets away from me. She doesn't want to be associated. Too late. Judith, where'd she go? Where'd you go? Have to sign off without her? Huh. Well, since she seems to be hiding, I will sign off. This is Ugly Lou, Geezer Lou, signing off. And remember our motto, be the best person you can be.